Hello everyone, welcome back to my another new video. Hope you are all fine and healthy. So today I'll talk about how to create tax template in Asana. So in this video I'll show you very easy method. So let's get started right away. So firstly, what you have to do, you just go to your home page and then select your one of your project. After that, you'll show a customize option just on the top right corner, and then just click on it. After that, you will see a lot of options are available there. Then just click on text template option right away. Then you'll see a dashboard and it is called as edit text template. So once you have there, you can choose either tax or it will be a milestone or it will be approval. Then you give a template name. I'm gonna call it for example, like digital marketing. Then you can choose the assignee. So if you want, you can add your friends, colleague, or your employees. Then you will set your due date. After that, you can also add the project and also select your priority, select your status. And on the other hand, you can also add a subcharts. So it is very easy for you. So that's for today. Thank you for joining with me. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.